second to last week for Uncle Dan's 2020 Summer Games. It's crunch time. We've had an audible called this week where Buns lost like 2. So technically, Mom, we could actually make it to Vegas.
Woohoo!
Yeah. So what are we doing this week? We're gonna do some Fettuccine Alfredo. So you just grab your best store-bought brand that you like. 2 minutes on the microwave, sprinkle on some Uncle Dan's, and there you go.
Yeah, don't do that.
Just
to people.
kidding. Actually, Buns called me a little bit ago and he says, you know what, instead of that, you should just pick up some frozen fettuccine and throw it in the microwave. That'd be awesome. I'm on to you, man. I know exactly what you're doing. No, we make the real thing in this household. So, well, Mom.
Although it's not fettuccine, it's rigatoni.
It's rigatoni, but that's okay.
Better.
So the sauce we made with Uncle Dan's, the classic ranch, correct? Yep. Yeah.
Classic ranch.
Yeah, I obviously put all of this together. So all you do to make your sauce with Uncle Dan's, we used a stick of butter right here, half a packet of Uncle Dan's, and as much Parmesan cheese as you want. Just melt it down and get some good stuff here, Mom. I don't know if you can get a good look at this. Maybe. We're gonna pour it on, but it looks good. It's buttery, it smells delicious. Only way you're gonna get the smells if you make it yourself at home, which I urge you to do. And they've got some chicken over there that they're gonna put on their own. You can maybe do a little chicken bacon ranch. Fettuccine, oh, that smells delicious. Okay. Yeah, mix it in there, cook the noodles how you like them. Al dente. Is that how you do
Yep.
that? What's the other one? I don't know.
Soggy.
Okay, all right. Let's
That would be how you make them?
Yeah, I can't cook pasta and I can't cook rice. So thank you, Mom, for helping me out. It's so buttery and ranchy. It's really good. In fact, I'm probably gonna put more Parmesan cheese on this too. Just totally clog my arteries.
Okay.
There we go. Another week, another event down. Carbo load. It's cross country season. Mosh Pit All Stars. Pasta's the best way to do that. No, but all seriousness, UncleDans.com. You order anything over $35 or more. I believe they're still waiving the shipping, and we're almost to an end for Uncle Dan's 2020 Summer Games.